At Teach, we know teachers shape the future. That's why our mission is simple. We want to help future educators like you find your true calling in the easiest way possible. On teach.org, you can search for state-approved teaching programs around the country and find in-person, online, and hybrid certification courses that fit you and your schedule. Whether you're still jotting down post-graduation plans or looking for a new career where your work makes a direct impact in your community, we can help find the right program for you. You can also find resources like stories from real teachers, information about financial aid options, teacher pay and benefits, as well as certification how-to guides and a personalized to-do checklist. If you have any questions, you can talk to our teacher coaches via online chat or one-on-one call. Oh, and did we mention? None of this costs anything. It's all free. Subscribe to get all these resources and more.